Chip on the breadboard is going to transmit a 3-letter long Morse code. The chip on the launchpad is going to decode the message and transmit the decoded message to the computer through serial interface. Because I constantly have issues with the serial interface on the emulator side, so I'm going to use a TTL to USB converter to help me transmit the serial interface message to the computer. So I'm going to open the PuTTY terminal to monitor the serial ports. 6. So I'm going to power the board. As you can see, it's now flashing SOS message, and now I'm going to open the terminal. When it's done decoding, it will pop up that message. As you can see, the message is decoded. This is SOS. So next, I'm gonna transmit for verification. I'm gonna transmit another 3-letter long Morse code, which will verify this program will work with other array of messages. This time, I'm going to make the chip on the breadboard to transmit a message of ZYA to verify the code will work with different messages. So first, I'm going to power the board. As we can see, it's now flashing the message of ZYA. So I'm going to open up the terminal. The message is being successfully decoded. As we can see, it is ZYA.